Struggling to finish your IELTS reading test on time? You are not alone on this. We all have been there. The clock ticking, your heart racing, and the pressure is real. But what if I told you that you could beat the clock and ace that reading test without breaking a sweat? Stick with me. I have got killer strategy that will change the game for you. Grab your pen and paper because we are diving in now. Okay, so picture this. You are in IELTS reading section. The clock is ticking down and your palms are getting sweaty. Panic mode set in and you're thinking, how am I supposed to finish this in time? We have all felt that pressure, but trust me, there is a way to stay calm and power through it confident. I am going to share the top strategy to keep you cool, controlled, and hitting all your IELTS answer before the timer runs out. Let's go. Let's talk about skimming. This is where most people waste time if they don't do it right. Skimming helps you quickly get the main idea of the passage so you don't have to read every single word. Here is the hack. If the questions ask for the author main point, you don't need to read the whole passage. Just skim the introduction and conclusion. That's usually where the main message is. Trust me, it works. Next up, scanning. This is your go-to when you need specific details like dates, numbers, or key factors. Think of it like a treasure hunt. You are searching for a specific word and phrases that will directly answer the question. You will be zooming through the passage without wasting time on relevant stuff. And bonuses, it's especially powerful with tables, charts, or lists. Use it like a pro. Now, here is a game changer. Prioritize your question. Don't start with the hard ones. You will just stress yourself out. Instead, tackle that easy one first, the ones with specific details like dates or figures. Get those out of the way, and then you will have more time for the tricky one. This gives you a confident boost, and make sure you don't leave any question unanswered. It's about momentum. Time is of the essence, right? But here is the secret. Break it down. Assign specific time slots to each passage and stick to them. Don't get stuck on one question. If you are spending more than 3 to 4 minutes on one question, move on. Go back to it later if you have time, but stay on track with your time management. Okay, let's make this real with an example. Imagine you are staring at a passage with complex vocabulary. Don't panic. Use the skimming to get the overview. Then scan for the key information. By doing this, you could save 10 to 15 minutes and when you are racing against the clock, that's huge. Trust me, that time can make all the difference. But hey, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to strategy for beating the clock during the IELTS rating test? Has any trick worked wonder for you? Drop your tips and experience in the comment below. I'm all ear. Let's help each other out. And here is the killer practice on the timed condition. Set a timer when you are doing your practice. Test to mimic the real exam pressure. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Regular practice equals to better time management, less panic, and a killer score. Alright, let's wrap it up to crush your IELTS reading test. You need strategies, skimming, scanning, prioritizing, and of course, managing your time like a boss. Make sure to practice on the time condition and you will be ready to ace it. And don't forget, share your tips in the comment. I'm curious to hear what worked best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more IELTS hack coming your way. Also, check out my other video on 10 must-know grammar rules for IELTS writing and speaking. Link is in the description. Let's make that IELTS score shine.